It's windy up here, but welcome to the top of Bald Hill.
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklynn, Braeden, and Acacia. We love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.
I don't say if that's a round trip or not.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no!
I thought that's what you said it was, though.
Yeah, I believe it is. Well, we have no idea how long this hike is. This doesn't look like 20-some kilometers. What we'll do is we will hike for a couple hours and refer to our map. This is attempt one at making it to Bald Hill. Bald Hill is an iconic spot in Riding Mountain National Park. I'm worried about going back down because I know that means you have to turn around and go right back up. This trail does have a 350 meter elevation gain. I don't know where we're at right now, but
We're going up.
going up. I don't feel unsafe here at all, but it is a long ways down.
Oh, yeah.
There's lots of trees and shrubs and stuff to grab onto on the way down though.
Not right here.
This feels like you just sort of dived off into the bush.
I know, it doesn't feel like you're almost there then. And you're going down
I think it's over there.
through the bush.
You can see Bald Hill over there through the trees. So we kind of go down and around, and then I think we have to climb up in order to get on top of it. Surprised how many people are out here. Like, yes, our parking lot was full, but there's you can get here from so many different ways. The legs are a little jello-y, but we keep going down, 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 and
Yeah,
Bald
and
Hill.
then we're gonna have to climb that giant.
Bald Hill is up, up, up. So
It looks very...
this is making me think of the sand dunes at Spirit Sands. We're gonna climb up this sand dune and see what's on the other side. You can see right here, it's all trees, right? Let's go up to the top. Legs are gonna burn after this. Okay, I think we reached the bottom. From here on out, it's up that. Welcome to Bald Hill, guys, here at Riding Mountain National Park. We made it all the way to the top, had some lunch up top. It's really just a hill that's made out of this shale, and you can see that all of the hills around here are all made up of this rock, just stacked on top of itself.
Going up, so.
I think we'll have a lot of sections of going down.
Yeah. If there was a lot of sections of going up on the way here, we'll have a lot of sections of going down on the way home. How's that? For just facts.
What if they had one of those little rails things, like you hike all the way up there and you take like a little roller coaster thing all the way back down?
Ooh, now that would be enticing for a crowd that I know of that are back at home.
Yeah, I think our kids would love that. If they knew at the end of the hike they could take a roller coaster home instead of having to hike back up like, whoa.
Hey, Richard.
They just about walk off the edge.
Oh my gosh.
It's not that far down, it's okay.
You probably would have been okay, but.
Focus on where we're walking, okay. If they knew there was a roller coaster at the end, instead of having to walk back up here, they'd be like, they would have beat us there twice. They probably would be down there like 3 times already.
Yeah.
There is cell service up here, by the way, which is interesting.
Yeah, I don't think we ever lost it.
I guess we are up pretty high and on the east face of Riding Mountain, so maybe we're picking up a cell tower from McCurry. Okay, total distance of 10.7 kilometers, and it took us just under 3 hours, including stopping for half an hour at the top. Elevation gain 738 meters for the entire route. One thing to note is that if you are going on this hike, there are no outhouses or washrooms at the trailhead. So just outside the park gate here, which is just before the trail you turn in to go down and into the trailhead, there are nice washrooms out here. So makes life a lot better when you know where the washrooms are.